Ay, ready na sila mag-beach.
God, look at you.
Let's go!
Makalangoy tayo, di ba?
Oo nga eh.
Lamig na ito.
Sobrang init ng araw.
Ano talaga?
Ay, dali. Nagagalit si Sir.
Bakit? Anong gagawin?
Bilis.
Oy, tara na. Mag-ano daw tayo, ikot-ikot daw muna.
Yeah, we're not gonna stay here.
So, itutour daw muna tayo sa school, guys.
Umupo na si Pierre.
Ikot-ikot na tayo dito, guys. Let's go. Let's explore Harriet Conservatory. So dito guys, bago kami pumunta ng Boynton Beach, ay nag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa The Harriet Conservatory para makita ang kanilang dorm at iba pang mga facilities. Harold M. Russo Residence Hall. Dito sa ating pagpasok ay makikita natin kaagad ang kanilang cafeteria.
Okay, sure. Very fast. You guys wanna? Yeah, before the students. Join me. Yeah. Okay, one second.
Meron silang?
Pa-therapy.
Ay, oo nga. No?
Strengthening.
This is what the bedrooms. Yes. So, and there's two-door room. Yeah, and there's two-door room.
In and out.
On the other side.
Yeah.
The boys are on the other side. This is the girls' area.
This is a room.
This is a regular room. We go to our room.
Ayun guys, dito na yung girls area.
Hindi po nasabihan po sila na dadaan.
But yeah, so this is the girls' leisure room. So there, and then the other side has the same, but for the boys.
Okay.
So the boys are on the other side for the as far as the leisure room, and yeah, so they kind of hang out here and.
The building is literally like a mirror image.
Yes.
So the other side is a boys' side, but we still have some girls' rooms on that side. So we divided that hallway in half. And then the boys have Pilates equipment as well. Different ones, obviously, but yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Taking out the trash.
Yeah. And their room has to be tidy every day. The only days we don't check their rooms is Saturdays and Sundays, but Sundays we do a big room check every so often for cleanliness. And then I do a big inspection every month because for building maintenance purposes, right?
Yeah.
So dito guys yung TMC studio.
Sino? Marcelo Gomez.
Marcelo.
May junior points. Senior partnering.
Dami studio. So yun guys, ang dorm ng girls. Tapos sa kabila naman yung boys. Dito. So hindi na tayo pupunta doon. Tara, let's go sa beach.
We warmed it up for you.
Thank you!
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah, they came at a good time.
At dito naman guys ay tinawag kami for the group picture.
You can put your bags here if you want or whatever.
Harry.
Oh, it's wet. Oh, I guess if everybody stands here. Yeah, if all of you want to stand.
Come on, girl.
So ayun guys. Nasa ibang lugar na kami agad, no? Ayun, nasa studio lang kami.
Surprise! So welcome to the city of Boynton Beach, Oceanfront Park. So nandito kami ngayon guys sa Oceanfront Park. Wow! Grabe, super init. Yan. So yan yung beach guys. So yun guys, gumawa natin yung sombrero. Ang init. Puntahan natin yung beach dito guys. Ayun, malamig na. Hindi na siya masyadong mainit. Guys, oh. Ito yung daan yun. Papasyal namin kayo dito sa beach guys. Nood lang kayo ng vlog ko, gano'n.
Hanapin natin yung mga
Hanapin
kaibigan
natin
namin.
mga kaibigan namin, mga co-dancers namin.
Nagbibilang lang ako para nakasmile siya. Already?
Yun, tingin.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, girl.
Ay nako, hindi nakuhan.
Pagganda! Wait, ba't bumaba?
Oh.
Okay.
Sure ka? Ang ganda naman ang forma mo, sabay ako nakahubad. Siya nga yung wala sa forma eh.
Atras kayo kaya. Atras kayo.
Atras ba?
Oo, mga doon banda sa... Ay, hindi pala naka-wide. May wide angle nga pala.
Uy, sana all.
Oh, sige, ready.
Uy! Uy!
Stay ah.
Uy! Arabes!
Ganda ba?
Uy!
Dito park ako, Arabe. Oh, very nice.
Okay guys, ganyan natin, marunong lumangoy itong mga to.
Yeah! Buguga!
So yun guys, nakiram ako ng rash guard, di ba? Ay, tayo na sa beach. Tayo na't mag-swimming. Maos pa. Umiyok pa. Ah, sorry. It's hot here in Florida guys, you know. Wow! And we are crossing the street. Hey guys, ice cream muna kami. Ay, thank you Tito Jimmy sa sponsor. Wow! Diba? Nilibre tayo ng ice cream. Sarap. Sarap naman. Let's eat ice cream guys.
Bay, ano naman yan? Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream.
Ah, ganyan siya. Sige na. Kuha ko.
Nandito yung mga bagets dito guys.
Ayan o, ba't pa tayo kukuha? Eh, meron naman na sila.
Kaya makikijoy na lang tayo. Kaya makijoy na lang tayo
Ay,
sa
nako.
umbrella. Ay nako.
Bumili kami ng ice cream.
TikTok
Sophie?
sila dito guys.
Sophie, I need an umbrella. Can you pay?
Hi.
Yes, we want an umbrella. Yeah, bigyan ko na po.
Thank you Tita Marlo. So ayun guys, uwi na kami.